There are two things in India जिसको लोग बहुत ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं. सबसे पहली चीज क्रिकेट और दूसरी चीज क्रिकेट की बातें. जी हाँ, the stories of cricket. And in today's episode, I've got two amazing personalities with me. I've got the one and only Mithali ma'am. And I mean, no introduction needed. आपको पता है all the achievements, all the records, whatever ma'am carries along, the shoulders. Along with Mithali ma'am, हमारे पास में है Veda ma'am. And I mean, I'm gonna discuss कुछ secrets about cricketer, maybe how to be a cricketer, how's the life as a cricketer, as an athlete, as a person. काफी मजा आएगा.
शुरुआत तो इससे करेंगे कि पहले आप हमको मैम एड्रेस करना मत कीजिए. इतनी भी हम लोग like we are not that
no, I mean
old, but I think it's good to be addressed with our names.
It is the respect that comes along.
Of course.
Yeah, it's
I think
like not just about the age and all. It's the respect that comes along. But guys, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Along with मिताली राज and वेदा कृष्णमूर्ति. बहुत ज़्यादा मजा आने वाला है.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Okay, I'll tell a brief about myself. So, इंडिया में I don't think ऐसा कोई भी होगा जिसने क्रिकेट नहीं खेला है. हम सब ने खेला.
True.
घर के छत पे खेला है. इस दीवार के 2 रन, सामने का छक्का, बाहर गई तो आउट है. लेकिन ये पीछे के रन नहीं होते हैं. Sometimes because the ground is such. Yeah. So we have all done that. गली में खेला, स्कूल में खेला. This. How about you guys? Because I think only a few would pass that barrier. That as a hobby, casually we all play. But then आगे आके to take it as a career and like being into that athlete zone. How's been your experience? Like what was the journey like?
देखिए मेरा जर्नी तो बहुत ही जल्दी शुरू हो गया. When I was about 9 years old. तो I can't really say कि कैसा था initially because I was too young. पर इतना मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि शुरुआत मेरा भी था हॉबी से ही. समर वेकेशन में I joined my brother's academy जहाँ पे वो जाता था खेलने. मेरा भाई तो इतना सीरियस नहीं था बट आई वॉज प्रीटी सीरियस कि compete करना है मेरे भाई से. तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ वन क्वालिटी द कोच आइडेंटिफाइड इन मी. और उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे डैड से उन्होंने कहा कि आपकी बेटी पे अगर आप टाइम और एनर्जी स्पेंड करोगे तो शायद वो इंडिया खेल लेगी, लेकिन आपका बेटा तो नहीं खेल सकता इस एटीट्यूड से. तो आई थिंक दैट वाज प्रॉब्ली शुरुआत वहाँ से हुआ था. एंड माई फादर ऑल्सो वॉज वेरी कीन कि चलो एक शॉट मार के देखते हैं कि वेदर शी हैज़ द एबिलिटी टू प्ले अहेड. पर मेरा तो खुद का तो इंटरेस्ट था ही इनिशियली कि मैं कुछ करूं. बट माई पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो हैड सपोर्टेड मी अ लॉट क्योंकि 90s के टाइम पे 1990s में वुमेन्स क्रिकेट काफ़ी लोगों को नहीं पता था कि लड़कियां खेलती हैं. मेरे को खुद नहीं पता था कि अच्छा इंडियन टीम है वुमेन्स का या शांता, डायना एडुल जी ये सारे खेलते थे उस वक्त. पर उनकी इतनी ज़्यादा चर्चा नहीं होती थी. तो जब तक मैं सीनियर लेवल नहीं खेली तब तक मुझे नहीं पता कि हमारे पास नेशनल साइड है और लड़कियां भी खेलती हैं क्रिकेट.
How is the future going to be? How big is the picture?
And उस वक्त तो अर्निंग थ्रू स्पोर्ट स्पेशली क्रिकेट मुझे नहीं लगता था कि वो दिन भी आएगा जहाँ पे इन टुडेज टाइम लड़कियां कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड हैं. देयर इज अ WPL.
WPL was massive.
We played the second season. और दूसरी बात ये कि आप जब खेल रहे हो तो आपको आप अर्न कर रहे हो. यू आर अर्निंग एज थ्रू द मैच फीस. इट्स अ प्रोफेशनल स्पोर्ट नाउ.
सो गाइस बेसिकली शॉट लगाने के पैसे भी मिलते हैं. काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट. और अगर बॉलिंग जैसे नॉर्मली इन गली क्रिकेट भी है ना कि जो बैटिंग कर रहा है दैट्स द किंग कि बैटिंग करने को मिल रहा है और जो बॉल फेंक रहा है उसको लगता है कि मेहनत कर रहा है मतलब कि तरह का हम बॉल फेंकना है. बट इन प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड नो मैटर व्हाट यू डू इफ यू आर एन ऑलराउंडर या बैटर या बॉलर it's all paid for and that's what the position of cricket is in India.
Even now bowlers think they are the laborers in a sport क्योंकि इतना दूर से भाग के आते हैं फिर उनको छक्का हो जाता है चौका हो जाता है. अब बैट
I just saw yesterday's match. I mean crazy.
They're paid more, no? The bowlers are getting paid more.
How about you, Veda? I mean what's the brief background that you can share?
I mean for me I think it's just like any other kid. गली क्रिकेट से शुरुआत हुई. I come from a very small town called Kadur. It's a like hardly few people. सब लोग सबको जानते हैं. Like,
okay.
And I had few guys who were my age. तो हमारी रोज की लड़ाई ये होती थी ग्राउंड पे जाके पिच कौन पकड़ता है. तो बड़े लड़कों के सामने we had to fight, right? and my brother was you know studying elsewhere. So जब वो आता था तो फिर आसान होती थी क्योंकि यार मेरी बहन है तो उसको छेड़ो मत, तो हम साथ में खिला लेंगे. सो दे यूज्ड टू पुट लाइक बच्चों को दो इधर उधर ऐसे बांट के.
समटाइम्स देयर इज दैट प्लेयर है जो दोनों टीम से खेलता है, दैट कॉमन प्लेयर.
वो कभी नहीं हुई बिकॉज़ आई वाज बेटर. आई वाज बेटर देन अ लॉट ऑफ बॉयज, सो आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ अ टीम. सो वहां से इट स्टार्टेड ऑफ एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर व्हेन आई फिनिश्ड माय 7th क्लास 7th ग्रेड, समर कैंप जब शुरू होने वाली थी, दैट वाज जस्ट फ्यू डेज बिफोर. मेरा कोई फ्रेंड बैंगलोर गया था तो लेदर बॉल लेके आया था. तो हम लेदर बॉल से खेल के यार ये अच्छा लगता है, ये मस्त जा रहा है ये, एंड ऑल दैट फीलिंग.
वो जो टक करके आवाज आती है,
टक करके जो आवाज आती है, वो तो सीमेंट पे खेलते थे. वो ऑडिटोरियम एक बन रही थी अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन, सो उसके ऊपर, सो ऑब्वियसली मिट्टी पे तो खेल नहीं सकते. एंड क्वाइट फनी, आई मीन हाउ शी इज कनेक्टेड टू द स्टोरी. दे हैड जस्ट प्लेड द फाइनल्स ऑफ द 2005 वर्ल्ड कप एंड आई वेंट टू माय डैड एंड आई टोल्ड कि मुझे ना क्रिकेट खेलनी है, बैंगलोर लेके जाओ मुझे. It's like लड़कियों का थोड़ी होता है, like it's all boys. I said नहीं होता है. And then after 2 days there was a newspaper cutting saying that you know women's have made it to the finals, South Africa में matches खेलते हैं. I said मैंने बोला था होता है देखो. ऐसे अगर कोई समर कैंप है जो लड़कियों को भी लेते हैं तो चलो ठीक है देखते हैं. And I used to sit and look into newspaper. वो छोटी बॉक्स में ऐड नहीं आती थी. Summer camp for boys up to 12 years of age.
Yes.
So that I used to go through every day. And as one fine day I found boys and girls. I couldn't believe my eyes. Like सच में. Then I went running to my dad. I said, you told me to find something. I found now. Like आप लेके जाओ. They like पहले phone करके पूछते हैं. Said yeah we have girls also. We have some 12-13 girls who are practicing in the academy. आप आ जाओ. And I think मुझे next day ही जाना था. I'm a very stubborn kid. मुझे जो चाहिए मुझे चाहिए. And if you tell yes, then my mind is all around that कि वो yes कैसे जल्दी बनाओ ना. So I went. My dad took me to the academy, and that is where I went there. उनको लगा था एक दिन के लिए लेके चले जाएंगे.
Formality हो जाएगा in that city.
Formality हो जाएगी, खुश हो जाएगी बेटी, and like I'm the youngest at home, so कि हाँ ठीक है इसका भी मन बना लेंगे. But I refused to come back. I said I'm not coming back. You figure out how I'm staying, where I'm staying. Hostel option नहीं था, PG option नहीं था, because I was a small girl, so कभी बाहर गई नहीं थी. And whatever little I had traveled was for karate, because I was into karate at that time. For competition I used to go. So then we found a friend who was also playing a cricket, who said like okay she can stay at my place. So that is a different story altogether. And then these people came for a felicitation. Like I had no idea who Mithali Raj was.
When did you first meet?
In 2005, I had no idea who Mithali. After the World Cup, they were felicitated in the academy. She and along with another 3 people who were like 2 of them who were part of the King, Karuna and Nushin, and then Mamta of course who had played India before. Not seen, don't know who Mithali Raj is. Photo bhi nahi dekhi hai maine. I don't know how she plays. It just sat in my head. It's like you give flowers, right? To stage mein jaake bouquet. I fought with the other 3. I was like, I am the one who's going to give it to Mithali Raj. तुम दोनों देख लो, तुम तीनों देख लो क्या करना है. And there was another friend of mine who's still a friend, like Vanita. She played for cricket. Like we had a big fight between each other. She's like, no, I want to give it. Mithali is mine. I said, मुझे नहीं पता. I am giving. You do whatever you want to do. I don't know.
You remember her giving flowers to you?
I remember that. I can't get it off my head. Even that friend still fights with me even now, saying that I was supposed to give the bouquet that day. You snatched it from me. You snatched it from me. I don't know what you did, what you went and told the coach. Eventually he told okay to give. And that was the most proudest moment that I had. I was like, I gave flowers to Mithali Raj in 2005, and I think that is where the cricketing journey of mine started altogether.
I think one thing जो like is definitely a common amongst all athletes, and like definitely 2 of you, is that while you are pursuing this journey, जब आप start कर रहे हैं, like maybe your jid to continue, or maybe you starting at an early age, fitness is very important.
Yeah.
I mean, you have to have a discipline, proper diet, workouts, like sleeping routines and everything. So how's been that for you? I mean, was it too difficult, या फिर how do you push yourself कि नहीं मुझे अगर इतना running करना है तो करना है, या diet में यही खाना है, or like you know what all that goes?
I think जब आप शुरू करते हो तो क्लियरली बिकॉज वी आर यंग तो इतना अब आपको दिखता नहीं है कि द वर्कआउट दैट यू आर पुटिंग इन, लेकिन एज यू एज जो इनिशियल स्टेजेस में आपने जो वर्कआउट किया ना, दैट इज व्हाट विल कीप यू यू नो at that level, which I've realized because I've played late into my 30s as well. So the amount of fitness I did in my 20s, and that has helped me into my 30s. And even the way you work out when you're young and when you're aging, as you understand, you're aware more about your body, कि आपके बॉडी को अभी क्या है, बिकॉज एथलीट्स वेयर एंड टेयर भी होती है, ऐसे नहीं कि थ्रू आउट
देयर आर फेजेस,
समटाइम्स यू हैव इंजरीज, यू आर रिकवरिंग फ्रॉम इंजरी, यू डू रिहैब्स एंड देन यू कम बैक इनटू एन एक्टिव स्पोर्ट. तो वो फेज कैसे हैंडल करना है, यस एवरीथिंग इज एन एजुकेशन, लेकिन यू नो at that point of time technology इतना नहीं था, so it was more about our own awareness. Trial and error के साथ कभी कभार कुछ चीजें नहीं workout होती है
and you see कि एक हफ्ते बाद what's the result,
what a result, हाँ नहीं workout हुआ, then you move on to the other. अब technology आने के बाद you are far more you know what to do, when to do.
She's so smart. She already knows my next question because the next question is about the piece of tech that you both are wearing. Apple Watch Series 9. Yours is the smaller size, yours is the big one. I'm wearing the Watch Ultra. And I think this is a game changer, right?
Yeah.
Like smart devices, like a part of our own bodies. Like these things, they know ourselves inside out. Our sleep, our heart rate, our recovery, all the metrics going in. How has been the experience of you using the Apple Watch? Because मतलब जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था ना, इट वॉज अ मैजिकल, आई लॉस्ट वेट, तो आई यूज टू वॉक 20 किलोमीटर्स एवरी डे, तो मुझे वो दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, आई कैन सी द ट्रेल्स की रात को ये हुआ है, सुबह ये हुआ है, अभी ऐसा हो गया ये. आई मीन फॉर यू एज अ प्रोफेशनल एथलीट, आई थिंक दीज आर द डिवाइसेस जो एकदम एक अलग टाइप का आपको इनसाइट इन्फॉर्मेशन दे देते हैं.
I mean, just kind of the most important thing is the hours you're spending, right? Like she was telling earlier, you're doing, अगर आप जिम जा रहे हो कि आपने 1 घंटा बिताया, 1.5 घंटा बिताया, you don't know how much of calories you're burning, what exactly are you doing, whether it is worth it or not. Like now, if you've seen from the time technology is involved, not just in cricket, anybody's life, the time that you spend gym is a lot lesser. You're not whiling away and wasting time because there is rest period, cooling off period. वो बताता है like 30 seconds done, get on to your next set and things like that. All year बहुत बातें होती थी.
Earlier तो I remember me and Jim as well कि एक set लगाया, फिर बैठा, फिर दूसरा, तो वो मतलब I mean maybe the effect जो मिलना चाहिए वो नहीं मिल पा रहा था because we don't have the data.
Yeah, like now you know you need to be on time, right? Crunch, get it done quicker. And the amount you're spending, whether it is actually affecting that much in your body or not. So all of these things kind of makes it a lot more easier, because then you'll be like, okay, looking at what you've done, like even now with the SNCs and people around training, they're like, okay, आप करो gym, आप घर पे करना है, कहीं पे भी करो, just send in the data what you've done from the watch to us, so we'll know what exactly you've done.
Yes.
तो चीटिंग नहीं कर सकते,
स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दो कि कितना रिंग्स पूरा हुआ है,
चीटिंग नहीं कर सकते बस.
हाउ अबाउट यू मिताली? आई मीन बिकॉज़ मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ पीस ऑफ टेक जो आपने एक बार पहन लिया, लेट्स से द बैटरी लास्ट फॉर 2 days 3 days, व्हाटएवर, even if you have to take it out to charge, you would want to wear it back as soon as possible, कि जैसे चार्ज हुआ तुरंत पहन लो.
Finding the most jobless time of yours to put it for charge, right? Like अभी मेरा अगले half an hour कुछ नहीं है तो मैं चार्ज कर देती हूँ.
That's it. Because
I want to know what she does.
Yeah, you would not want to go without the watch anywhere now, because everything should be tracked, right?
Yeah. See, for me, I think it's more important about my recovery. So I don't have the habit of wearing and sleeping.
Okay.
Wearing the watch and sleeping.
Okay.
But from the time when I want to track my sleep, what's the quality of my sleep? Because there are days when you wake up groggy.
Even if you have slept for 8 hours, you don't get that rest.
Yeah. So now with the watch, I'm able to understand, did I have a good sleep, deep sleep?
Yeah.
Or is it just like, I was just semi-conscious? You get that feedback through the watch. So now I've made it a habit to wear it, if not for the left, to the right side, to the right hand, and sleep. So every day when I wake up, I religiously see whether my sleep was good enough. And I also think that when we are working out, there are times during the day, which time of the day works best for your body. So there are people who work in the morning. There are people who work in the afternoon and late evening. So sometimes if your daily routine is such that you are able to give time in the evening, you're still able to see whether that time of the day works for your body or not. You know,
maybe
everybody is different.
Maybe you have spent lots of calories during the day. शाम तक ताकत ही नहीं है कि आप कुछ workout कर पाओगे या something.
So it's like it depends. If you're too tired, you still can push in a little bit of workout. Or sometimes it says that, you know, today you're spent. So then you can actually take rest. So I think that really helps me post my retirement, and also cycle. You know, the monthly cycle.
Yeah, I mean,
I think that is so
women
important.
health is like baked into the watch now.
Yeah.
So you can keep track of, you know, what's going inside your body.
Also, it gives you a hint, like, you know, if you're due.
Yeah.
You know, many a times because we're so occupied.
Temperature sensor.
Yeah. So we are so occupied that, you know, it skips our mind. Like, you know, you know, we are going to get our cycle.
Yeah.
So this gives us that alert, and then you're aware. Okay. So
and it's going to be super precise, I would say.
No, it is very precise, but the most fun part is, of course, your hormonal changes are happening throughout in your body, and your behavior also kind of keeps changing the entire month, right? So just when about you're due, you're about to get, you're all groggy, you're irritated, and suddenly there will be an outburst that is going around, and there's a ting which comes in saying that, you know, you're due probably in the next 7 days or next 5 days, and then you come back to your senses. I was like, okay, this is not the external factor that is you know, changing your behavior because of that. It's internal, it's happening within your body, and then you go and apologize. Okay, sorry, it's not because of you guys, it's me.
Have you tried this app? Because मैं बहुत use करता हूँ इसको. Sometimes, you know, when I want to be like Nirvana, Shanti, breathe app. Have you tried it?
Yeah, I have. Because there are times when, you know, before a big day.
Yeah.
Or even like, you know, if you're preparing for something, like because I do commentary now, there's this jittery feeling when you go live.
Yes.
So then what do you do?
And वो हमेशा होता है. No matter, you know, how many matches you have done, I mean, there's something.
Yes. So then I take the time out 2 minutes or 5 minutes of just do breathing. So it calms you. I think that is also one thing that I do. I don't do every day, but there are times when I pick a moment to sit and just calm myself.
I mean, this reminds me of that 3 Idiots, all is well. Breathe app वाला जो है.
Breathe, yeah.
I am very hyperactive, so for me that is very important. She is very calm. I mean, this jitters and all, I think
you be the judge.
There is no jitters and all, she's lying. For me, it's more about hyperactive, like being, like I'm so socially active with people, right? I'm like talking. मैं commentary पे भी बात कर रही होती हूँ, खेलने time भी बात कर रही होती हूँ. If I'm sitting also, I'll be talking. Outside in that lounge area, there's no quiet time. I'll be like going on. And once I come back to the room, it takes me forever to unwind and go to bed. So that is where I think...
Watch, I think a small feedback for the Apple team watching, that for the next version, especially for the watch that Vida is going to wear, just give one more metric, that how many calories you have burnt while talking.
Yeah, I think that is most important. I think there will be a lot. That entire
अगर उससे burn कर सकते calorie, तो I'll also start talking.
The entire strain it is a strain, right? You are burning calories.
Yes.
I think you need a matrix.
Sitting we are burning
exactly.
calories.
You need matrix to Apple. Yeah, next update.
Just one question that I have, like now we have just one device, like, you know, one-stop shop for everything. Your workout, your sleep, your breathe application, your cycle, like everything in one piece. And this is fairly a new technology. Like last few years, we have seen, you know, growth of smartwatches and athletes like you using it. इससे पहले, if you were to recall कि 10 साल पहले क्या होता था? I mean, would you have different kind of like devices for different? मतलब not as simple as this, right? अगर हम 10-15 साल पहले की बात करते हैं, how the health tracking used to be?
उस टाइम तो कोई डिवाइस नहीं होता था. जो कोच बोलते थे, जो ट्रेनर बोलते थे, वही डिवाइस.
एक ही डिवाइस होता, स्टॉप वॉच.
Stop. Yeah. No, even this has stopwatch as well.
Yeah, it does.
And you can trigger it by just saying Siri.
And like 10-15 years back, I think the whole aspect of it, if Mithali Raj is spending 2 hours in the gym, you have to spend 2 hours in the gym. So she was the device.
Now you can ask for the insights in the health app कि 2 घंटे जिम में लगाया तो निकाला क्या उसका?
निकाला क्या था 2 घंटे वो बताओ.
any one feature that you want to highlight? Because see, this entire episode, since I talk about technology, and the idea while I was talking to you was just to know your experience. Ki, because see, I use it for different purposes. आप एक professional athlete की तरह इस watch को use करते हैं. If you have to pick just one feature that has been game changer, इस watch के मतलब you know like you have been playing actively and मतलब इससे क्या बदल गया है? Just one feature if I ask for the watch.
I would say I will pick two.
Okay.
Since I'm not an active player, एक तो ये है कि wellness पे,
Okay.
like you know, it does ask how your day was.
Yeah.
You know that is something at least for me is important. The day or the moment. There are times when you have a bad day. Why you had a bad day? It at least asks you.
Yeah.
So when you go back a week and you see go through that log, you know this is the bad day for what you had. You know, and second is walking.
Walking.
Because now you sit. We sit a lot in commentary. You know, there are time. Then it gives you an alert time. At least stand up for a minute.
Stand up. Yeah.
You know, you can do training for about 2 hours, 3 hours. But if you're going to sit the entire day, then uska kya natija hoga? So there constantly you make an effort
the
to
alert
keep
for the
walking.
move is really,
so
really
I think
good.
that these two has really helped me.
Stand.
You.
I mean, I like the wellness aspect, what she mentioned, right? Like, it pops out and asks you how it reflects. I keep telling my partner, because of you, I'm irritated, because it's all blamed towards that person. But, like, for me, of course, it is a segregation of different kind of workouts that you do, that you can actually specify whether you're doing outdoor running or indoor running, whether you're doing a cycling session, because all three takes a different load, right?
Yeah.
If you're just, normally, if you're just doing and start and stop with calories, like, with not being so specific earlier, you would just randomly do. Now
Yes.
you're specifically doing what kind of a program that you have, whether it is strength training, whether it's functional training.
Your heart rate in a certain range,
Yeah,
there's that,
there is
everything, yeah.
an idea around that particular workout. So
Yeah.
it kind of gives me that exact reading that I want, so that I know what I've done, the load whether I'm able to take, how I'm feeling, especially post after that. So there is an easier way to see and figure out whether this is the right way that I'm doing or not, whether the right way that my body is able to take or not. So that segregation of giving me different options, right? It even has an option saying cricket. Like
Yes.
You put that,
Cricket,
and
yeah.
if you are batting or if you're
If you
fielding
analyze
and
your
things.
swing, your running, or like all the body
Yeah, I mean,
movements.
जब हम खेल रहे थे तो ये होता है how effective in my batting would have been.
I actually usually use
वो
it
कितने मीटर
during
का
my-
शॉट लगा,
हाँ,
कितना
बताओ.
कितना
Yeah, like I use it during my practice especially. Like of course, batting के time पे थोड़ा डर लगता है टूट ना जाए. But fielding and if you're warming
gloves
up,
would cover it, no? But gloves tight होंगे इसके
नहीं
ऊपर से
वो
पहनना.
फिर
and,
uncomfortable होता है. So
yeah.
you have to either put it here on the right hand. लगता है तो फिर टूटने का डर. That is another thing. I've never tried it.
No, but it has quite strong screen.
Yeah,
trust me.
the
I've
sapphire
dropped it. Yeah,
crystal,
sapphire
right?
crystal.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Maybe next time I'll probably wear it and bat and then pose or something. Ball की लगी तो पता चलेगा क्या लगेगा. But yeah, that segregation and that specification I think is very important.
I'll tell you a small story that I have to share. So I gained a lot last few years, and I was 105 kilos around that lockdown 2020.
Wow.
में. And in 4 months, I lost 30 kilos. So from
How?
105, I walked 20 kilometers every day, like no matter what.
Yeah.
So 4 months straight, and the motivation came from the watch. Because जब मैं शाम को जाके देखता था
Rings.
कि कैलोरीज बर्न, रिंग्स के वो 5 बार चक्कर घूमते थे, नॉट जस्ट वंस गाइस. आई एम टेलिंग यू लाइक समटाइम्स इट्स टू हार्ड टू जस्ट कंप्लीट द सर्कल बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे, बट माय लाइक एक्सरसाइज सर्कल वाज लाइक गोइंग 5 टाइम्स इन अ रो और समथिंग. तो जो कैलोरीज बर्न कर रहा हूँ मैं देख रहा हूँ, एंड देन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट लाइक एज अ हेल्थ पर्सपेक्टिव द व्हाट यू से रिलैक्स्ड स्टेट ऑफ हार्ट, द हार्ट रेट केम एज लो एज 50, 52, 53. लाइक व्हाइल आई एम स्लीपिंग, जब सुबह देखता हूँ तो रात को 50 पे चल रहा है, व्हिच इज I think sign of good health. So a device which is able to show me the mirror कि मैंने क्या किया उसके result. I think that's a really interesting
Now
thing.
since I'm having a chat with you, don't you think the walkie-talkie is the most underrated?
My nephew uses it a lot.
I
while-
use it a lot. Hello, check. Are you there?
While my nephew is playing with his friends, park or something. So they all have Apple Watches and they use the walkie-talkie to like.
I mean,
and it's such a nice
it's
feature
such
to be
an
honest.
underrated
Yeah.
app. I feel. I think
Yeah,
nobody really talks about it, but it's actually nice.
Thanks for the insight. I mean, thanks for the time and thanks for sharing. And guys, see, अगर आप पूरी शिद्दत के साथ ये इंटरेक्शन अभी तक सुन रहे थे। और अभी भी अगर आप छत पे क्रिकेट खेलते हो जहाँ पे पीछे बॉल जाती है तो कोई रन नहीं मिलते हैं, यू नो, there you have it straight from Mithali and Vida, that how exactly just one small decision can impact your entire life. हो सकता है आपको अखबार में कोई कटिंग दिख जाए, हो सकता है आप टीवी में कभी किसी को देख लो। अभी T20 वर्ल्ड कप इज कमिंग, आई एम गोइंग फॉर इंडिया पार्क बाय द वे, 9th of June, I've got the tickets. Yeah. So,
wow, fancy.
so that's how, you know, it is. And tech की जहाँ तक बात आती है, I think you know this kind of a device just going around your wrist, जिसको आपके बारे में आपसे ज़्यादा पता है, and वो सारे insights अपने phone, I love these watches so much that एक मैंने पहनी है, एक मेरे फोन के पीछे भी है।
that is a game changer.
so that's you know how this small device can actually transform your journey, be it like maybe an athlete या maybe just like a hobbyist, casually if you are in a gym like this, 2 घंटे आप आते हो, 1 घंटे आप आते हो, तो I mean just to keep track of what's going inside your body, that's how tech works. Have you seen the advertisements for Apple Watch?
Yeah.
I have seen those videos जहाँ पे वो animations दिखाते हैं कैसे वो blood stream जा रहा है, कैसे वो light आ रहा है, and कैसे वो track कर everything. So that's what goes behind the scenes, you know, while you see all these numbers here. Thanks, Mithali.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mithali ma'am. अभी तो खत्म कर रहे हैं.
Mithali Raj.
Thanks, ma'am. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया guys तो do like, share and comment. If you have a smartwatch, if you have an Apple Watch, what's your favorite? Oh, okay. I'll use this as a thumbnail. What's your favorite pick? And मैं आपसे मिलता हूँ अगले एपिसोड में। फिलहाल के लिए इतना ही। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।